If your Squarespace site is showing a 503 service unavailable error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to figure out whether the problem is on Squarespace's side or caused by your own browser, and I'll show you the exact fixes you can try right away. This is especially useful if your site won't load, your editor is acting up, or you keep seeing that frustrating server error message when trying to open your page. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and website troubleshooting tips. Let's get into it. First, open a new browser tab and go to the official Squarespace status page. This is the best place to check whether Squarespace is having a platform-wide outage or service disruption. Once the page loads, look carefully at the status indicators for site loading and site editing. These two metrics are especially important because they tell you whether visitors can access sites normally and whether the editor is working properly. If you see a yellow or red incident report banner that says something like investigating errors while connecting to sites, that usually means the issue is not on your end. In that case, Squarespace is already aware of the outage and their backend team is likely working on a server-side fix or patch. When that happens, the best thing you can do is wait it out and check back later. There is usually nothing you need to change in your own account while the outage is active. Now, if the status page does not show a major issue, the next step is to test your site in an Incognito window. Open a private browser session and try loading your Squarespace website again. This step helps you figure out whether the problem is tied to your regular browser profile, such as saved cookies, cached files, extensions, or session data. If your website loads successfully in Incognito, that is a strong sign that your main browser is the problem, not Squarespace itself. If that happens, the next fix is to clear your cookies and cache. Go into your browser settings and find a section for browsing history or privacy. From there, clear your cached images and files along with your site cookies. This forces your browser to make a fresh request to Squarespace instead of using old stored data that could be causing the 503 error to keep appearing. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and test your site again. If the error is still there after that, go back and try loading the site in a different browser or on a different device. That can help confirm whether the issue is local to one browser profile or more widespread. And if the Squarespace status page shows an outage, the most reliable solution is still to wait for their system to recover before testing again. So to recap, always check the Squarespace status page first, then test in Incognito, and finally clear your cookies and cache if the problem seems to be coming from your browser. Those three steps solve a lot of 503 service unavailable issues very quickly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, website troubleshooting guides, and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.